What happened to my kitchen?
Dad, are you okay?
No, I am not okay. Something ate everything.
All the pizza is gone?
All the pizza is gone.
Dad, there is sauce on the ceiling.
Yes, there is sauce on the ceiling.
What happened here?
I think it was the neighbor's dog. He came in the back door before, remember?
The neighbor's dog is a tiny pug, Dad.
A very hungry pug.
That dog cannot reach the ceiling.
He jumped.
It was not the dog.
Tom. Buddy. You were asleep. You don't know.
It wasn't the dog, Dad.
My goodness.
That is not a pug.
That is a dinosaur. That is a baby dinosaur. Hi, I'm Tom.
Shh.
Did it just breathe fire?
Only a little.
Only when it eats cheese. How do you know that?
He ate 4 slices of pizza.
With extra cheese.
I was watching from the stairs.
You were watching? For how long?
About an hour.
An hour?
Shh, you'll scare him.
He's been here an hour?
He walks funny.
I know.
I like it.
I like it too.
We are not keeping a dinosaur.
Name Rex. Property of Metro Science Museum.
The Science Museum has a live dinosaur.
Apparently, and he escaped. And came here.
He came in through the back door. I think he smelled the pizza.
Our pizza.
4 slices, with extra cheese.
Dad's dinner. That was Dad's dinner. I cannot stay angry at that face.
Okay, we need to take Rex back to the museum.
Now? It's midnight.
The subway starts at 5 in the morning. When the tunnels get busy, it won't be safe for Rex. We have time, but we need to go tonight.
Can I carry the tag?
Yes. Don't lose it.
Can do it myself. Shoes on. Now, hoodie. Perfect. Ready. Let's go.
It's going to be fine. Just breathe.
I know. Keys, wallet, got it. Here we go. One for you, one for me.
Thanks.
Okay, time to get ready. Jacket on. Shoes on. All set.
Look at how he walks. It's like a bounce. Like a very big, happy bounce. I'm going to call that his silly walk.
Well, look at him go.
He really is something, isn't he?
We are going to miss that when he's gone.
Don't tell Tom that yet.
He has 3 things he loves. I found out tonight.
What 3 things?
Number 1, pizza. He really, really loves pizza, especially with extra cheese. Number 2, when he eats cheese, he sneezes fire. Just a little.
Just a little is still fire, Tom.
Number 3, he has a silly walk. When he is happy, he bounces.
Okay, the silly walk is very good. Did you hear that? Rex has 3 things he loves. The pizza one, the sneeze one, and the silly walk one. Watch carefully. We will ask you about them at the end.
He's actually doing great.
Don't jinx it.
All right, just a little further now.
Rex seems to be enjoying his walk.
Well, what do you think, Rex?
He certainly seems to like the smell.
Rex, stop! Rex, no. No, Rex, no. No.
Nice quiet evening. No problems. Perfect. Sorry, we close in 5. Madonna mia! Madonna mia! That is a margarita! Extra cheese!
Rex, I am so sorry, sir. Rex!
He breathes fire?
Only when he eats cheese. I'm really sorry. We will pay for everything.
How did he run so fast? He has tiny legs!
Did the dinosaur breathe fire?
Of course he did.
Okay, Rex. Time to go. This way. Come on. No more pizza. We are leaving.
He faked you out, Dad.
He is very quick.
Rex, that is not yours.
He gave it to you.
Thank you, Rex, but we can't take it. It's not ours. He thinks Tom is his family.
He is not a bad dinosaur.
He is a really good one.
Okay, just a little more flour. Bed down. Now, for my little friend. Whoa there. Easy does it. I have a delivery van. Big. For boxes. I can drive you to the museum. You want to help us? He ate 8 pizzas, but he gave 1 back. That tells me something about him. He really is a good dinosaur.
Tom, I know you like Rex. I like him too.
I know he has to go back.
You cannot keep a wild animal, but you can always be kind to one.
I was kind to him.
You were. That is something to be proud of.
We should get the van. Ah, another quiet night. The city sleeps, but we are awake.
Stop! Hold still, Rex! Look at the net! Look at the camera. Unbelievable. Stop, you will fall.
Is he dancing? I think he likes the van.
You know his three things now, right? Pizza? Yes.
The sneezing fire after cheese, and the silly walk when he is happy. Yes, the pizza one, the sneeze one, and the silly walk one. Don't forget.
All right. Rex! Oh, thank goodness.
We lost him 6 hours ago. He pushed his enclosure door open and went out.
How did you find him? How did you know to come here?
His tag.
We forgot. We put a tag on him. We searched for 6 hours. We called the city police. You solved it.
It was on the tag.
He was born here from DNA, part of a research program. He is only 7 weeks old.
I am 7 years old. Maybe that's why he trusted you.
Will he remember me?
I think so. And if your parents agree, you can come back. Every Saturday, we have a junior science program.
Yes.
100% yes.
I'm coming too, for the photos.
Goodbye, Rex. He is showing us his silly walk.
I know.
You cannot keep a wild animal, but you can always be kind to one.
I know.
And you were. That is something to be proud of.
He liked pizza.
He liked you.
Thank you for the van and for not calling the police. The dinosaur gave the pizza back. I liked him. See you Saturday? See you Saturday.
Now, do you remember Rex's 3 things?
The first one, what did Rex love most? Was it pizza?
Was it the silly walk?
Or was it the sneeze? Write your answer in the comments. We want to know if you were watching carefully.
See you next time.
See you next time.